flood warning for the following county: Granite, Montana. Issued at 4:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a flash flood warning for central Granite County in west central Montana until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of central Granite County. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Nice.